Hello students, you are seeing the question number 5 of the exercise 30.2. A vessel in the form of an inverted cone. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Inverted cone means base is at the top. It is called the inverted cone. It is a vessel. And inverted cone, its height is 8 centimeter and radius of the top, which is open, it is open in 5 centimeter. Radius of the top, which is open, is 5 centimeter and its height is 8 centimeter. It is given. Its height is 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay. It is filled with the water up to the brim. When lid is salt is dropped, it is water is here. When lid salt is dropped in here, then of radius, lid salt means like this. There are some spheres, spherical balls. Spherical balls whose radius is given. It is a radius capital R, it is a H. Radius of the sphere is given, spherical shots are given, spherical radius of 0.5 centimeter. It is 5 centimeter. Find the number of lid salt dropped in the well. 1/4 of the water flows out. Like Archimedes principle, water is flowed out. Water is coming and you are collecting here. It is 1/4 of the volume of this vessel. 1/4 of the water. So, volume of the vessel, volume of spherical shots, lid shots are there. Volume of the radius which is given is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of water flows out. Volume of water flows out. How much is? Suppose it is 1/4 of the volume of cone. Means 1/4 into 1/3 pi capital R square H. Capital R is this. It is the water flows out from this. So, number of lid shots is equal to volume of water flows out upon volume of one shot. That is 1/12 pi capital R square H. It is the volume of water flows out. 4 by 3 pi R cube. Both the pi cancel. You will get 1/12 into 3 by 4 capital R square H upon small r cube. 3 4 ja 12. You are getting 1/16 into capital R is given 5. 5 into 5 into 8 upon R cube is given here 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. That 8 2 ja 16. Very simple question. 5 point will be removed, 1 2 3 zeros will be there. 5 into 5 into 1000 upon 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. 2 both the 5s are cancelled. 2 5s are 10. Then 500. How many lid shots are required? 100 lid shots are required to raise this water flows out. Question number 6. In the question number 6 it is given a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 meter solid, base 24 meter, which is surmounted by another cylinder. One cylinder is this, which is surmounted by another cylinder. This 220 and 24. It has a 220 centimeter and its diameter is 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and 8 centimeter. 60 centimeter and radius is 8 centimeter. Very important to see. Here radius is given, here diameter is given. Here capital R is 24 by 2, 12 centimeters. It is given the height is 220, diameter 24, surmounted by another cylinder whose height is this and its height is this. Find the mass of the pool if 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 gram and pi is 3.14. Very simple. Volume of iron is equal to volume of big plus volume of small. Both are the cylinder. Pi capital R square capital H plus pi small r square small h. So you will put the values. All the values are here. Pi common. You can take R. Capital R is 12. Small r is 8. Capital R is 12. Small r is 8. And capital H is 220. Small h is 20. That you can do it. Question number 7. Question number 7 we'll see. And then, not 6. Then what is your question given here? Find the mass. Mass is equal to volume, this volume multiply by what you are getting here, multiply by 0.8, you will get in gram. If it is big, you divide by 1000, you will get the kilogram. That you will calculate afterwards. So question number 7. What is the question number 7 given? A solid consists of a right circular cylinder cone of height 120 and the radius 60 centimeter. Height 120 and radius 60 centimeter, standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter. Question number 7. A solid standing on a hemispherical of radius this. Okay, it is given 120 centimeter and 60, height 120 and radius 60. This is given 60 centimeter and this height is given 120 centimeter height of the cone. It is standing on hemispherical and placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Yeah, it is just now you are putting this in a cylinder, like example it is given. It is putting which is like this. Just bottom it is touching, which is full of water. Your question is what is the water left? Volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is also 60 centimeter. Radius of the cylinder is also 60 centimeter and its height is 120, 180. 180 means 60 is this. It is total given 180. It is total given 180 centimeter means just up to the. Then you are going to find the volume of water left. Volume of water left. First of all, volume of solid. Volume of solid is equal to R is 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter or 1 radius. This is the small h, it is a capital H. Radius is for the hemisphere, for cone as well as cylinder. So volume of solid is volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. That is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is 1 by 3 pi r square common h plus 2r. It is the volume of solid. So volume of water left is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. So volume of cylinder is pi capital pi small r square. Again pi small r square capital H. R is same, height is different. Minus 1 by 3 pi r square in bracket small h plus 2r. Put all the values, you will get your answer. Put all the values here, r, capital H, pi, everything you know and you can get the answer. Question number 8. Question number 8 is given a spherical glass vessel. Spherical glass vessel is there. Has a cylindrical neck. Has a cylindrical neck. What is given? Question number 8. A spherical glass vessel have a cylindrical neck. It is a neck. Okay. Flask like this. 8 centimeter long and diameter 2 centimeter. Diameter 2 centimeter. It is 8 centimeter long and diameter 2 centimeter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5. It is given 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, the child find its volume is, one child found its volume is 345 centimeter cube. One child find its volume is 3.40 centimeter cube. One child is finding this. Pi is given 3.14. Check whether it is correct or not. Check whether it is correct or not. The spherical glass is cylinder of the diameter of the, by measuring the amount of water it holds, a child has measuring this. So you want to, what is the volume of water? Volume of water in this, how will you find out? It is the by child. So you will find out volume of water is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. It is a radius 8.5 by 2 centimeter. It is the radius 2 by 2, that is 1 centimeter. It is a height. So volume of cylindrical part pi r square h. Volume of spherical part is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi capital R cube. It is the difference. So pi is common and other things is not common. You want the pi common, then r square h plus 4 by 3 capital R cube. What is the r square h? Pi is 3.14 and r square means 1 square into h, 8 plus 4 by 3 into 8.5 by 2 cube. This you solve. You will get your answer is not this. It is incorrect because your answer is coming more than 345, 346 point something. So that's why very simple answer is given, only you tally with your calculation by child calculation. It is child calculation. So you combine figure means you yourself make the formula with the actual formula, combine common, what is the radius given, then you can do. That's all for today, and your this exercise is now we will see. This chapter is over, but what is given? Conversion of solid form from one shape to another, like a melting of wax or a sphere or a duff, anything, or a clay. How will you make the one model in the another model? We'll see in the next. Thanks.